Hello everyone. Today we're going to read this book. And do you guys remember the book that we read before? Yes, Whose Baby Am I? By John Butler. So we're going to read the same author's book, John Butler. If you see a meow kitten, it's so cute kitten. We're going to meet the very cute one and a little bit scary one. So let's see. If you see a kitten, John Butler. If you see a kitten, John Butler. Look at this. Who's it dragging? Toy mouse with a little paw. If you see a cuddly kitten, what do you say? Say, ah, so pretty and cute. Oh, look at over here. We can get some hint about the next animal. If you see Pongy Pig, say, poo. And here's some hint. Look. If you see Dozy Dollmouse, we say, shh, it is sleeping. If you see some slimy slug, ooh, yuck, I don't want to touch anymore. If you see a pretty peacock, whose feather it is? Might be a peacock. Say, oh. If you see a slithery snake, say, hiss. Well, look at this. It's a little bit cute. If you see a prickly porcupine, ouch! Okay, be careful when you touch this porcupine or hedgehog, all right? If you see an enormous elephant, say, wow! Here is a tip. So when you see this page, you have to cover this small spider, okay? And next animal will be a scary spider. So you have to cover it. And if you see a scary spider, where's the spider? Uh-oh, I can see some legs here. 1, 2, 3. Scary spider. We can meet the bigger spider. Eek! And if you see a crotchety crocodile, everybody ready for shouting. Help! And here's the last page. And when you meet the cuddly kitten, what do you say? Ah, you have to review all the sounds and animals, okay? The end.